Okay, I'm in the Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets. I'm in the main menu, which you can find up here under extensions. And I am going to go into the credit card account and set it up for importing. So I'm now in the credit card account, and it shows it's not set up at this time. It's a liability account. And so what we want to do is go into this section for importing. Now you're going to do this once for every account. You'll want to go to your credit card financial institution and download a CSV file, which would look similar to this. And you'll need that for mapping out these columns to our pop-up form under Setup Account for Importing. So once you have that CSV file that you can use to set this up, you'll choose what type of account. You can put in the financial website URL here. There were 4 header rows. If you noticed here, there's 4, and then the transactions start on row 5. And you can see the date is in column B. So we're going to set this up with the date in column B. The checker reference was G. The deposit or the payment on that credit card account was F. The debit or credit card purchases are in column E, as you can see right here. And then the description column was C, and the debits are shown as negative, as you can see here. And then the type of account is a liability. And you would click Submit. You'd wait just a moment as this is set up for importing. Now it's ready to import. So what you'll do next is make sure that you've uploaded your file to Drive, to Google Drive, and then you can import your transactions. And once you do, all of this information will be entered for you, and you'll just have to come here and categorize your transactions to say what those expenses were for. And that's it. Thanks for watching.